We will try how effective using this ABCL learning tools. So, maghanap tayo ng games and ito yung napili natin, the bubbles. Or we can call this alphabet bubble. Itong games is applicable siya sa grades 1 to 2, 3 because it is very easy and anyone can play with this. Dito is ipapap lang natin kung yung suit na letter dito sa mga box. For example, sa dolphin, so D, yung D is ipapap natin at dapat may shoot sa box. So, pop lang tayo ng pop until ma-accomplish natin yung goal, which is yung dapat is lahat ng mga boxes ay mapuno. So, yes, natapos na natin. And these are the words na second is the level 2, which is ipapap natin naman yung mga letters. Round 2 na naman tayo. Dito is gagawin pa rin natin yung ginagawa natin kanina in level 1, which is ipapap natin yung mga words or letters na nakapaibabaw sa mga baskets. Tag the letter T and the jelly is the next, so pop natin yung J. The remaining are grapes and the horse. House pala. So house is ito na, okay na. And the last is grapes. So ito ng letter G, so pop it. So finish na, and next of that is we will proceed to another level or another round, which is the round 3. We will try another games in Ibiseya. So, ito yung napili natin. And mahina yung signal, and as we all know, it is very useful naman. So, mag-i-explore pa tayo ng maraming games. Diyan, so loading pa man, so we just need to wait. So, dito sa ABCA is hindi lang 2, 3 yung games, so marami pa. So, you can explore and find another if you want to. Nagkakaiba yung levels, merong grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So, ito yung napili nating game. This game called counting candles. So, ika-count lang yun natin yung candles, and maya-maya ay may lalabas na balloon at makikita kung ano yung answer. So, mag-wait tayo. And we will start our game, which is the candle counting. So guys, if you will use this is explore lang talaga na explore para meron kang maraming malalaman dito na games and it very useful. So magsa-start na ang ating game. Here is we just need to top the every candle so that mag-aapoy siya, and we will count every candles. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 candles. After natin mabilang ng mga candles is merong balloon na lalabas, which is the answers is nandoon sa mga balloon. So it is multiple choice kasi meron tayong tatlong pagpipilian, the 8, 1, and 10. So 8 yung answer. We will proceed to another level. Tayin lang natin kasi grabe lag kayo. So we need to wait. Here our next level. In here we have 4 candles. Just stop and the balloons came, and dito na natin pipilian kung ano yung tamang sagot. So meron tayong 4 na candles. So what would be the possible choices? So as we'll know, 4 yung tamang answer. We will proceed to another level. So wait lang tayo, and ganun pa rin yung gagawin is we just need to top every candles and count it. As we can see, meron tayong 5 candles and we just need to top the individual. Dito na yung mga balloons na pagpipilian kung ano yung tama na answer. 5 is the correct answer. Another level naman tayo, which is the level 4. So, ganun pa rin yung gagawin. We just need to tap the every candles. Medyo lag talaga guys. But though it is lag, sometimes it is very useful naman in teaching grades, primary grades kasi it will enhance and boost collaborative and engaging class inside the classroom. So we must better to use it, ABC learning tool, so that the engagement and the classroom inside the classroom will remain. The engagement and the collaboration with the students. We have here 3 candles, and the correct answer should be 3. So we will find the 3 inside the balloons. You just need to tap it. So ito yung 3. We will now proceed to the last level. So maraming candles, no? And maybe some of the learners or students sees it difficult, but it is still very easy because they can count naman. It is very easy for them to count. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles. So the possible answer and the correct answer is 9. We will find the 9 number here inside the balloon. And we just need to tap